You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases from Latin, from the law, legal term. If you want to learn more Latin expressions that are used in the law, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. In limine, that's the Latin pronunciation. In limine, meaning on the threshold, limine. Now, some say it as in limine. It is kind of accepted in English, in limine, but it's a lot more correct, the more correct pronunciation, in limine, from Latin, in limine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.